how to create an account in Etsy. Now in order to create an account in Etsy, you just simply need to open your Etsy app and after that tap to your profile icon from the top right corner. After tapping in there, you will get the button of sign in. Tap to sign in button and after tapping in the sign in button, you will see the option of sign in or create account. Tap to sign in or create account and after tapping in there you will be in this page. First of all, you just simply need to enter your email address which you would like to use in order to create your account in Etsy and tap to continue button. Then after doing this much, you need to tap to create account after entering your first name and password. Just simply create first name and password for your Etsy account. Then, after entering first name and password in here, your account will successfully be created in Etsy. So this is how you can very easily create Etsy account. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.